Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix black screen on your camera, iPhone, iPad, iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If your camera is not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16, then I'll show you how can you fix this issue. For that, what you have to do is just simply open your control center, and then you have to open flash, and then open camera, and then you have to wait for 20 seconds, and after that your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, and then let me tell you that you have to tap on general, and then scroll it down, and then shut down your phone, and after that turn it out again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply remove case from your iPhone, and then you have to clean lens of your camera, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, and then go to screen time. So you have to set privacy settings for camera, then tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then tap on allowed apps, and from here make sure that this toggle is on. So you have to turn it off, and then after 5 seconds you have to turn it on again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then I'll show you how can you fix this issue. So finally what you have to do is just simply open settings, go to general. From here you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, go to reset, then tap on reset all setting, give your passcode, and then tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.